All the choices you made, would you make them again, 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 again? All the lies that you told, did you believe in them? All the choices you made, would you make them again, 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 again?
We just finished glossing all those doors. Now we're just going to wash this spray gun up. And this is how I go about washing this gun up after I spray enamel. So there's my enamel in there. Super enamel, there it is there. Pretty sticky stuff. First thing I go about doing is just lay the paper off. Pump all that paint out of the gun. Now remember, we had the dirty terps that we run through the gun originally just to lubricate that inside the hose in the gun. So we're going to put it in there. So that's it there. Alright, so I'm going to put this hose into the old dirty terps. Okay, so that's in there. Now all we've got to do now is just run that through. That'll flush some dirty terps back through the gun again. Pain in the arse, this gun. Now, it hasn't cost me, at this stage, it hasn't cost me a cent in terps, because that's all old stuff. I haven't used any of the new stuff. That's the new terps. And to be honest with you, I won't be using any new terps to wash this out with. Just turn that off, and then I'm going to drop this tip and hand peat, just a tip. Let's drop this tip in the dirty terps. Then I'm going to pump the paint that's in this spray line back in the can. That's pure paint coming out. Okay, now we've got other stuff. Now it just started to become a bit watery. We just pump that through the line now. Notice we've got a metal tin. I just put the lid on this paint, get it out of the way. And we just run this through the gun. Now to get this paint, this dirty terps out of here, we pump it back into this bottle. So that's what we end up with in there. A little bit of clean terps. Now we just really washed the edge of the gun, that's there, which I've just done. That's it. Just another quick rinse through with a little bit of clean dirt, maybe a couple of cupfuls. So at the most it's cost me 2 cupfuls of dirt, not even that actually. Now I'll pump this back into this spot. This tip and that will just get thrown in water with the other tips. I don't even know where they are. In there. No, it'll be fine. Yeah, nothing will happen to that. We can flush fresh water through this now, and that's it. Fresh water here. A little bit of water. Put that hose in the rubbish because we're going to get some terps come out. Okay. Just go in there, flush that through a little while. Get the rest of the dirty terps out of the hose until water comes out. Water coming out now, that's it. So that's the complete guide on how to use oil-based paint through a spray gun and then clean it out. So that's it, that's all I do. It's all I've ever done. Don't have any troubles. One thing is, do not let your spray gun go dry. Always keep the pickup in water and the handpiece in water. That's my secret tip, another helpful tip from the painter.